First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and peel some potatoes. So I've got my potato, I'm peeling away. We just got back from our vacation. We went down to St. Petersburg, Florida, and man, did we have fun. We got to eat a lot of good food too. It was really fun. And I got a bowl of water ready over here, so once I'm done peeling them, I could go ahead and set it right in there so that the potatoes don't brown. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our French fries cut. Today I'm gonna be using a mandolin. So it's really awesome for cutting, however, it is really dangerous, so you gotta be careful. It does come with this little protective shield because you could really easily cut your fingers on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my potato right in and snap it on in. And then I'm gonna go straight down. And I'll show you how the pieces look as they come down. So you can kind of see they're frayed a little bit, so you just have to remove them. And they're the perfect French fries, like fast food French fries. I'm gonna peel them and I'm gonna put them in my water. All right, so I'm done cutting my potatoes. I actually used about 4 potatoes, but you can kind of see about a third of them I didn't use because I didn't want to get too far down where I could cut myself. I'm gonna go ahead and drain them. And I already have gotten a paper towel plate ready because I want to get these potatoes as dry as possible before I put them in the air fryer. So I'm going to place them on there and I'm going to let them dry. I have some more paper towels, so I'll go ahead and blot them. All right, I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan down, and then I'm going to preheat the oven or the air fryer to 390. I'm gonna go ahead and put my French fries in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and check on them about every 5 minutes because they are going to stick if you don't. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check on them, and you can kind of see there, and I'm gonna shake them around to make sure they're not sticking. And we'll put them back in because they're definitely not done yet. All right, it's been about 25 minutes and now you can see they're nice and crispy and they're ready for me to go ahead and eat.